Respected Irfan Saab, Shri Yampa, Professor Nadeem Rizavi, and all the esteemed guests here. I am following a list of very, esteemed professors. I stand here not as any professor or anything. I just stand here as a simple student of Irfan Saab. Somebody, and I would like to share how I came to become his student also. It is a honor as well as a very deeply emotional moment for me to come back here and to share a dais with Irfan Saab, with Shri Yampa, people who have shaped me as a student, as a thinker, as a citizen. And these days when there is, जब मुगल ही गायब हुए जा रहे हैं, तो it is Irfan Saab's quote that is, going all over the social media, that it is all right to have no idea of the past. What is dangerous is if you have a wrong idea of the past. And I think that is what defines Irfan Saab. बहुत लोगों ने बहुत सारी बातें करी हैं. And what I would like to talk about is not what he, or the volumes that he has written, the lectures that he has given us, but as what we felt as young girls and young boys, of course, but I will speak more of myself. Nadeem talked of 1978. I'll go back to 1976. I was 19 years old. I was doing my BA in English Honours, and exams were about to finish, and we could छुप छुपा के हम लोग मैरिस रोड निकले. Girls were not allowed from Abdullah Hall to go out, but we somehow managed to come play truant and go out on Maris Road. We had gone just to have chat. I must say that I led a very protected life. We were 4 sisters, and बहुत protected जिंदगी थी. And I was very naive. I was very, let's say, stupid, impulsive, whatever. I did not have much idea of the political climate at that time. All I knew was कि emergency लगी हुई है. When we went there was, I don't know whether Irfan Saab remembers it or not, there was on the corner of Maris Road, just near Abdullah Hall, there was somebody standing and giving a lecture, and lot of people around. And जैसे बहुत लोगों ने बात की ना, these were the rickshawalas and all, सब थे, बहुत सारे लोग थे. And I have always been very curious, so I decided to go and see what is it all about. Though I knew I may get into trouble in the college later on, कि कहाँ घुस गए. So I went there, and there I saw somebody speaking very passionately about the rights of citizens, about the rights of the state, and against the emergency. And as one of the speakers just said, speaking against power. So to path, that made a big impression on me. And at that point of time, I had more or less decided I'm not going to study further, but that's enough. BA हो गया, अब बस बहुत पढ़ लिया मैंने. And I went home, and my mother asked me, so what do you want to do? I said, I want to go back, but I don't want to go and do English. I want to go and do history. I want to study in the same department, because by then I had found out Irfan Saab's name. I said, I want to study in that department. So when I entered as a 19-year-old, as a very naive 19-year-old, as I said, I was uninformed. I'll give you another small example, not of Irfan Saab, but of Athar Ali Saab, who was again used to teach us. My ideas of history were those in those days, because I had not done history. So in one of his classes, he asked us what was the reason for the decline of the Mughal Empire, and I said, weak successors. And he said, बीबी कमज़ोर थे, खाते नहीं थे, हाथ पैर में ताकत नहीं थी. And that's when I realized that the history that I have learned is not the history that is actually being taught here. And Irfan Saab further, of course, then attending his classes, I used to sit in the front row, and I used to copy each and every word that he spoke. I did, and my notebooks have now got lost. I wish I had them. So for the exams, I didn't have to do anything. I would just look through the notebooks, and I could do very well. And it was he who made us, to see that history, as somebody else has also spoken, is not about rulers, it's not about dates. When I was also a teacher for some time, I tried to emulate, to whatever little capacity that I have, that history is not about dates, history is not about just rulers, it's about analysis. That's what the lessons that we had learned here, that it is a mirror to society, to power, to economy, and to ourselves. Irfan Saab made us interrogate history. And this was something that I had, not encountered. This kind of rigorous or rigor in academy as something I had not encountered when I was doing my BA. बस हंसी खेल में सब खत्म ही हो गया हमारा, मतलब BA हो गया, अच्छे मार्क्स आ गए, सब हो गए, but like it was not something that this idea that you have to interrogate, you have to engage with sources. That is something that like today when I write books, I write whatever, that has shaped my life. That the compulsory 25 marks, I think 25 tha ke 20 tha, to that first question on sources, historical sources, that was compulsory, and that is something that has shaped whatever writing that I do. That unless you have a primary or a secondary source, don't talk about it. And that is something that I learned here. Studying with Irfan Sahab also, that if you like obviously whenever he talked, I knew कि जो भी कह रहे हैं वो तो खैर gospel truth कह रहे हैं, but he would still cite everything. He would cite the sources, he would cite the what, from where was he quoting, and all that was very transformative for a young, as I said, 19-year-old. And he made, in his very quiet way, he made us realize that intellectual integrity mattered, and that you couldn't cut corners with truth. And these days, this is something that I think all of us need to learn from Irfan Sahab, from Sir, that in a world where opinions are cheap and history is constantly politicized, like him, he stood as a rock, principled, fearless and deeply human. And he has never shied away from speaking. मैं बीच में एक दफ़े कभी आई थी, then I remember the number of reporters standing outside his cabin to take interviews. And even I will not this thing, but so many people have mostly retired and are sitting at home. Sir का कमरा अभी भी आबाद है. And the people's history of India, the people's history of India that Nadeem talked about, that is something that I refer to a lot, because it has made history accessible to a lot of people, especially those who are not students of history, because students of history के लिए तो फिर वही है ना, it's an echo chamber. It is those who have not studied history who need to be taught about history, and that is something that I refer to a lot, those books. And बस खत्म है. So as क्या कहते हैं, I would just like to end with that he didn't just teach me history, he taught me how to think. And I would also like to mention something which I consider for me to be the highest compliment I have ever received. When my results came, I went to Irfan Sahab with my results and I told him I have got 67%. He said, "Bibi, ye indecent hai." So for me, that remains the highest compliment I have ever received.